Genesis 6. Violence filled the earth. Giants, the Nephilim, roamed the land, mighty in size and strength. The world had grown deeply corrupt, and God limited human life to 120 years. But Noah found favor with God. He was righteous and walked faithfully with him.
Noah, a flood is coming. You must build an ark, massive and strong.
God told Noah to make an ark of cypress wood for him, his family, and the living creatures. And then God sent the animals, pair by pair, as judgment and mercy drew near.